Welcome to this video series on Native Instruments Crush Effects pack. Now in this pack, you've got 3 effects, and with these effects, you can transform and manipulate your audio. Starting off with Dirt, this is a dual mode distortion and saturation effect, so you can use this to either warm up your sound or completely saturate it and add in some extra harmonics. Then you've got Bite. Now with Bite, this either downsamples, bit crushes, or does both of these effects to your audio. So you can use this to degrade the sound and give a sort of retro quality to it. And then finally, you've got Freak, which is a modulation effect, where you've got amplification modulation, ring modulation, and frequency shifting modulation. And then you can either use the oscillator mode, you can use sidechain, where you use a different source to modulate the sound that's coming in, or you can use the radio mode that emulates that effect that you get when you're listening to radio. So where you can sweep through the different frequency range and get some really interesting effects. So that's just a very quick explanation of the 3 effects that are included in the Crush bundle. But now we're going to take a deep dive into it and see how we can use these type of effects in our productions. Now, if you don't have the Crush Effects pack, there is a demo version available. You can either buy it or it's included in the Native Instruments Complete package. So if you don't have it and you want to follow along through the series, then definitely try out the demo. But now let's jump in first to the Dirt effect and see what we can do with this.